Well guys, welcome back. Good to be back. Just a bit of a sort of an update vid for today of where I've been the last sort of 3 or 4 months and the reason for my absence. I am on the way to Edersee for our annual sort of weekend away. So I'm on my way down there now, so I thought I'd just pop in with a quick vid to let you know what's been going on. Yeah, so what's been going on, unfortunately for me, back in February of this year, shortly after I posted my sort of last video, my wife decided to end our... Whoa, no, nearly lost it. Slippery drain cover. Yeah, so where was I? Yeah, unfortunately for me, back in February of this year, my wife decided to end our 16-year relationship sort of out of the blue, with not any real sort of explanation of why, which has kind of left me over the last few months wondering what the hell has happened and what's going on, and yeah, sort of array of mixed emotions that I haven't been dealing with that well, if I'm honest. Obviously, shock, disappointment in the fact that I still don't really know why. Obviously an immense amount of confusion, and you know, life has now changed, which I've now sort of got to get on with and move on with, and yeah, that's why basically I haven't been out on the bike, and to be honest, I should have got out on the bike more, but I just haven't been in the right mindset at all. Although I could have, you know, just ridden for me and just chilled out. I have been out maybe twice, but just for half an hour, just down to the tennis club just to churn some oil around the engine. But this is the first time I've been out for a decent ride. I can't even remember, sometime last year. So first time this year for sure, end of last year perhaps. Yeah, so that is why I've not been I've been about. So it's unfortunate. It's well, it's fucking devastating. So there's still stuff going on. She obviously moved out a few months ago, which has left me with the house that we built together, which I'm trying to keep hold of. Hopefully that works out, because it's a house that I did a lot of myself, and it took me, I don't know, 10 years to get it to 95% finished, should I say. Yeah, so there's been all kinds of stuff going on, and obviously with the kids, I've got 2 kids with my wife now, but I had been married before, and I've got 2 kids from my anchor's work. Yeah, I've got 2 kids from my previous marriage, but they're older, they're sort of in their 20s, but they live with me. So there's been all kinds of, you know, life-changing stuff. Obviously I work full-time, I've got a dog, which is not easy either to look after. So I've just been kind of dealing with all that, or not dealing with it perhaps. I probably haven't been dealing with it, but some shit I've just basically been ignoring just to... because I can't believe it, and you know, it's when you start dealing with stuff, you kind of want closure on some stuff, but I kind of don't either. Yeah, and it's bizarre the reasons that she left. I don't understand, and you know, after a time, I tried to speak about stuff, tried to, you know, we have to work on this, and she wasn't up for that at all. Doesn't love me anymore, and so she moved out, which I think is incredibly unfair, because I think you owe it to the person, after being together for that long. I think you owe it to them to at least talk, give a good explanation, or even try to iron things out, the things that are bugging her. But it's also kind of left me in a position where I'm kind of questioning my own, how do you call it, questioning myself. Am I doing everything right? Do I, do right by my kids, by my wife? And I always thought I did. Always tried to be a good person, a good dad, a good husband, but for some reason that's not enough. So I'm kind of confused about why that is. And, I'd like to know if there's things. What have I done wrong? What's missing that you need from me? And I'm not old-fashioned, but in a way I still believe in some sort of maybe old-fashioned values, that it's my job to, as a father, as a person, to provide for my family and whatnot, which I always did. So in that respect, it's confusing, because you do that as you're kind of supposed to, if you like. But it's still not enough, and it's because it's happened to me before. My first wife left me for the same reasons, or the lack of reason. So it's left me kind of feeling a bit shit in myself, because I don't know if I'm doing everything right. And God knows who does everything right, who is perfect. Nobody is, but I still have questions that can't be answered by the other party, if you like. I tried, but when you don't get an answer, it's difficult to then move on, or maybe change things in yourself. And people change over the years anyway, without any fault of anybody. Everybody changes in some respect. So that is where I'm at. I don't want it to be too doom and gloom. As I said, I'm on my way down to Edersee now for 3 days, just to have some time away, because I haven't had any time to myself for a few months. Not been out on the bike, which has probably been a mistake, because I'm already 2 hours into this ride, and it's already making me feel better. So I don't know why I did it, not done it. But I am working on it. I'm working on myself to get to sort of back to some kind of normality. Content will be probably slightly lacking for this year, because it's now logistically difficult for me to get away, because obviously I've got more responsibilities to be at home now, because the kids are there. My 2 older lads, they work, but they work all day, so then there's nobody there for the dog, which I have to kind of work into my working day, if you like. So I'm in between work and going home, letting the dog out, and when my girls are at my place, to be at home for them, to pick them up from school, because in Germany a lot of the time they finish at like 1:15 on a lot of the days. So to get home, to pick them up, or to be for them at home so they can start their own work and do all that sort of stuff, and then for me to even think about trying to get away for a trip, it's difficult. And although I could have done without question, my boys could have helped me out and whatnot, and neighbours and friends, there was an element of guilt about getting away and doing something for myself, which is stupid to think like that, but that I have been. So even if I'd have wanted to, I just felt like I shouldn't. I can't be, out trying to enjoy myself when, I have to be there for the kids and for my dog and whatnot. So I don't know what's going to happen this year for a tour. I've got some summer leave, but obviously I'm going to be at home with the kids on their summer holiday, so we're going to be doing stuff together, which is fine, and I'll enjoy that for sure. But I am going to try and get away for a week in September, around that time. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but I'd like to go back to Scotland, do a few days in Scotland, go and see my folks, and just spend a bit of time with them, because I think they're feeling a bit helpless and lost, that they can't do anything to help, if you like. So it'd be nice just to get away and spend some time with them, with sort of combining it with myself, and just having a few days up in the mountains in Scotland, just to get myself back on track. So yeah, no plans set in stone as yet, but I'm hoping something will come, and I'm sure now that I've managed to get my arse in gear and get out today, or for this weekend, and I literally had to I had to conjure up every bit of last motivation to even go on this trip this weekend. Extremely difficult. You know, and it's going to be hot as shit. Today's going to be about 36 degrees. Tomorrow's going to be even hotter. And Sunday on the way back could be some thunderstorms and whatnot. And I was thinking, that's fucking way too hot. And with my frame of mind, I'm not going to enjoy it. I'm going to be, because I've been a bit short-tempered, if you like. Things annoy me much quicker than they used to. And so I'm not going to be any decent company for anyone. But I managed to do it, and now I'm sat on the bike and I've been riding for a couple of hours. I'm feeling a lot more chilled out. So yeah, so the next video you'll see after this is probably, I don't know, I'll probably do a couple of days or a couple of vids on this weekend away down at Edersee. I mean, they've been here I don't know, the last 4 or 5 years. We always come here for the last weekend in June. And just spend 3 days down at Edersee, because from there is having that as a base. I'm sure you've seen some of the content before. The Sunstoff Western Motel is amazing. So that's where we're staying again today, and that's where we stay all the time. So yeah, I'm hoping I'm going to enjoy it. I'll get there in good time. I left early today. I'm not going to be able to get into the hotel as yet because I'll be there too early, but I didn't want to leave at lunchtime today when the temperature is going to be well over 30. So I left early this morning. I'll get there around 12ish, and then I'll chill out, have a couple of bevies or something, or sit in the sun. I'm sure some of the guys will be there already. There was planned about 35 people coming, but some 5 or 6 have already cancelled. For all kinds of different reasons, but I'd imagine for some people it's going to be way too hot, you know, because it is a bit fruity when it's 35, 36 degrees. But I'm donning the new mesh jacket from Revit, and thus far, it's a delight. When you're moving, it's fine. So, got my Kevlar jeans on. I don't want to be wearing anything heavy duty today. Got a waterproof coat just in case it does slash it down on Sunday on the way back, and that is it. Shorts and t-shirts, swim shorts, and away we go. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this vid now. That is basically what's been happening over the last sort of few months for me. Sorry for the absence, but yeah. So further content to come of me down at Edersee, hopefully having a good time. But until next time, I've been Sean. I shall see you in the next one.